yet again working on another piece of my brother-in-law's equipment. You know, some guys are two-cycle guys and some ain't. Here's where I come in. So, PB250LN from Echo. It starts, fires on prime, but you know, I replaced this little purge bulb, but the gal just needs a carb needs a rebuild. The whatchamacallit, diaphragms are all petrified. You know, I would have done it while I was down there with him, but we had to order the parts, and I have to see if I can fix this little doohickey here for the choke. Not sure what's wrong with it. Once I get it apart, I'll figure it out. Those two screws, the whole thing should come sliding out. Take off the hoses and the linkage right there. It's a little hook that it sits in. And pop the carb off. Replace these lines. Yeah, they're petrified. Let's give this gal a rebuild and get it back going for him. There we go. Let it warm up completely. A little bit of adjustment. The low side is through that little center hole where the screw is. And on this side, just below the bubble, is the high side. Yep. Got the spare piece of equipment. Thanks for watching.